welcome to another video. The S&P 500 had an impressive run in 2024, and with yesterday's CPI coming below expectations, market can see a September cut. So amidst this, I think we are in for another leg higher in the S&P 500, and some high potential stocks are in for a wild run. At the start of the year, I forecasted S&P 500 to reach 5,400 by the end of the year, but now I'm raising my target to 6,000. The Index Earnings Growth Foundation, along with favorable inflation news, contribute to my optimism. I am concentrating on two high potential stocks during this bullish run because they have excellent track records, strong and steady financial performance, and catalysts that will drive prices higher. They are Sizzle and ADMA Biologics. Now, first let's talk about ADMA Biologics. The focus of ADMA is the development of novel therapies for immunological deficiencies and infectious illness. It has revealed a new pipeline addition, S. pneumonia, which has the potential to improve income. According to ADMA Biologics, revenue increased 68% year over year in 2023. The surge in immunological product was the main reason for this gain. And the best thing about ADMA is it's just trading around $12. So with a high potential, you can buy and hold a lot of shares. The stock is up by 170% year to date and can gain more than 15% in the coming months. Now, let's talk about Sizzle. It is a fintech startup which gives customers more spending power with its interest-free installments plan. In response to the 40% increase in the purchase now, pay later payment model, Sizzle recently teamed with Velatra Supermarkets. Sizzle had a strong finish to fiscal year 2023. Revenue increased 26.9% year over year, extended the trend of yearly revenue increases, led by a whopping 462.8% increase in the subscription income. The stock price has increased 284% from the year's beginning, thanks to this remarkable performance, and it could climb another 15% in the upcoming months. I hope you like this video, and if you do have any questions, do let me know in the comments below.